What's up, gang? How you been? Hopefully you're doing well. All up in my head, so I figured I'd make a little post to show you guys that I got something working on something, since I don't know what its future holds, but currently I'm down to K1, so I need a ASA machine, and this is the working machine that I have that had a non-working thing, but now it works. So uh, let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you remember, I put this on. Some of you who have watched the streams, you watched me with this, and you remember that this didn't work when you would do the thing, but it now works when you do the thing. And since I'm sure you guys are curious as to what I needed to do to make the thing work, for those of you who suggested try reconnecting it to the board, you may not have been wrong. I may have had to take the bottom off again and unplug it and then plug it back in. I'm a dumbass. Stay out of trouble. Stay out of jail. Happy 3D printing and all the things. And remember, an old printer is better than no printer. Bye, guys.